Hi, this is Sarah from Grafhika Tech. In this video, I would like to tell you about the latest innovation in the world, so please welcome to our tech channel. While voice messages are much easier to send than to type, listening to them is much more of a hassle for some people than reading them. Today, WhatsApp officially launched a new feature that aims to alleviate the problem for people who don't like listening to voice messages. Voice message transcripts are exactly that, allowing you to transcribe your voice messages into text so you can keep the conversation going no matter what you're doing, says WhatsApp. Transcripts are generated on your device, so no one can listen to or read your private messages, not even WhatsApp. WhatsApp will receive transcripts of your voice messages. Currently, Android supports transcripts in English, Portuguese, Spanish, and Russian, while iOS 16 will add French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Turkish, Chinese, and Arabic, and iOS 17 and later will add Danish, Finnish, Hebrew, Malay, Norwegian, Dutch, Swedish, and Thai. To enable transcripts for voice messages, go to Settings and tap Chats to find the option. Then, to transcribe a voice message, long press it and tap Transcribe. The new feature will be rolling out globally in the coming weeks, with more languages to be added in the future. Join us as we explore the future of technology together. For more information, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.